it from our store. You stole stuff from our store and asking me questions. I'm polite about it. I don't appreciate it. Could you please just work with me? Okay, then what day and month were you born? 1999. You said 2000. I know. Oh, when's your birthday? True. 1999. February 1st. Okay.
Sure.
How tall are you? 4'7" maybe? You're not taking video, are you?
Mm-mm.
You take pictures? You're taking video, right?
No, I'm not.
Are you taking a picture of the shirt?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Well, I say, why would I
No, as
video?
long as you don't take video, you can't take video.
I'm about to say, I'm finna take a picture of the shirt.
Okay, that's fine. You can take a picture of the shirt.
I'm about to say, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's okay.
Picture next to video. That's
I'm about to say, thank
okay,
you.
that's fine. I know they're funny. I do it all the time, too. Don't worry about it.